السلام عليكم جميعا ومرحبا بكم في درس جديد لهذا اليوم. Hello and welcome to a new lesson in our YouTube channel Speak Arabic Fluently in a fun and easy way. In the last episode, you learned about wild animals in Arabic. In this episode, upon one of our followers' requests, we will learn some common phrases in Arabic. هل أنتم جاهزون؟ لنبدأ. Are you ready? Let's start. Let's start with You can trust me. You can trust me translates to يمكنك الوثوق بي. يمكنك الوثوق بي. The next one is I think, which means أنا أعتقد. أنا أعتقد. Take care of yourself. اعتني بنفسك. اعتني بنفسك. Happy birthday to you. عيد ميلاد سعيد. عيد ميلاد سعيد. Suit yourself. افعل ما تريد. افعل ما تريد. This is for males. افعلي ما تريدين. افعلي ما تريدين. This is when you're talking to a female. The next one. Come clean. قل الحقيقة. قل الحقيقة. And the last one, what does it matter to you? Which means ما شأنك. ما شأنك. We reached the end of our episode today, but before I say goodbye, I would like to say thank you to our followers. Please don't hesitate to share any requests with us. And if you have any question, please drop them in the comments down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye! إلى اللقاء!